easy 4 tips to perfect your eyebrow. 안녕하세요. Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Isaac here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, I have so many audience, they just keep asking me like, Isaac, how to get the perfect eyebrow like yours. In these videos, I'm going to share the easy 4 tips to perfect your eyebrow. Alright, let's make over by yourself. Tip number 1, trim your eyebrow often. Hey my bro and sister, when you have so many extra hair around your eyebrow, you will look so tired, so sleepy, so dirty. That's why you need to trim your eyebrow often. Come on. In the next step, I would like to show you how to trim the eyebrow in the easy way. Let's go. Right now, you need eyebrow pencil. You need a shaver. You just need to shave the hair outside the guideline. Just like this. This is so simple. Right now you can see my eyebrow. Nice and clean, smart. This is the reason why my eyebrow always look perfect. Let's trim your eyebrow often. Just shave the extra hair. Hey guys, listen. Most of us doesn't have the perfect eyebrow when we born. This is the reason why tip number 2, we need to draw the eyebrow to look better. Right now, I'm going to show you how to draw the eyebrow to look better. It looks so much better, right? Just like magic. Really? Hongdoni? Oh my goodness, oh my god. This is girl stuff. It looks so gay. It sounds so ignorant. Draw eyebrow is so common. Just like the actor in the movie, like Hollywood, Bollywood, also the K-pop idol, photoshoot model, they always wear the makeup, draw the eyebrow as well, because they need to look much better. So why you can't draw your eyebrow to look better too? And you are the human too. Why you can't draw the eyebrow? Why? Because you are not the model? Because you are not the idol? Because you are not the actor? Is that really make sense? Come on guys, everyone can be better. What matter who you are? Just be better me. Just break through yourself. Yeah, you deserve it. If you agree that, just comment below. If you're looking for the perfect eyebrow, tip number 3. Your eyebrow color match with your hair color. important. For example, when you have the blonde hair, match with the light brown, also the brown eyebrow. Just like my 2 months ago. When you have the brown hair color, just do the brown eyebrow. When you have the black hair color, you should do the dark brown, also the black eyebrow. Hey Isaac, how about the blue, the green, the red hair? Hey guys, I'm talking about the natural hair color, not the crazy hair color. If you really do it, you will look like manga character. Right now my hair color is copper, right? Then I just use the brown gel to change my eyebrow color from the dark to the copper. I just match everything with my eyebrow, also my hair color, to make my eyebrow look perfect. And I would like to show you how I use the brown gel. Look so much better. Just match with my hair color. Now you can see my eyebrow just looks so nice. Am I K-pop idol? Nani? Am I? Okay. Hey my bro and sister, when you just trim the eyebrow, draw the eyebrow, also match with your hair color. So, tip number 4, never put the bands cover your forehead. Never. Never. Nobody can see your perfect eyebrow when you just put the bands cover your forehead. Just create some volume to show your forehead, just like my hairstyle. Yeah. You can see my eyebrow, right? Let somebody can see your perfect eyebrow. Let's go. Hey guys, show your forehead. Don't be shy. If you want to learn some hairstyle to show your forehead, just click down below because I got so many hair tutorials from my YouTube channel. I wish these videos can inspire you to change yourself to be better. You can be better. Be a better me. And also, if you want to support us to make some more useful videos, just click here. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, make sure that never miss my new videos. And also, I was so happy that to see you guys to be ISSAC family. Just go to my Instagram. Alright, see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. 대박, 이거 남자 잘생겼다.